Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for a showing of over 100 cars from the Timmy's 10 again collection. A lot of them have had videos, whether they be races or unboxings, but I've decided to put them on the railing here, trying to see what I have and what I'll be selling and what I'll be keeping. I believe everything on the railing here I will be keeping, making my selling pile somewhere else. Some of my older trucks right there, 3 of them. That's a pop-off. You can open it up right there. I don't have an assistant with me, so I won't go crazy. 2 Ferraris. I believe those are Matchbox. Sure are. Limousine. It's probably a Jada. Couple of old Ferrari Hot Wheels. 3 Batmobiles. My favorite is always the 66 Futura. The old TV series one. Those 2 raced. And I believe the blue one won. My Getty cars. Flatbed's always fun to play with. Don't mind the sounds of the outside. We have cars going by. We have somebody using their leaf blower. Crows cawing and cars driving by. We got it all happening right now. Even had a bug land on me a couple seconds ago. My Chargers and Challengers. 3 pickup trucks. Ice cream truck with the Goodyear blimp on top. Rescue helicopter by Matchbox. What do we have on that other side? Another Matchbox. I like that right there. I like playing with that in the sand and snow. See a little guy in there. Ice cream man. 1976 fire truck. Fire Eater it's called. Mach 1s. A few Halloween ones right there. Over 100 cars in this showing. A couple of Novas. Taxi. That Taxi is an exclusive, come with a little city box. Came with an exclusive car, and that was the car that came in it. Matchbox. Hearse. Character car. 101 Dalmatians. A Camino. Firebird. Old Roger Dodger. That engine moves back and forth. 55 Chevy. Is that 55 or 57? Of course it does not say. Comment down below, because I know you know. That right there won so many races. When we first started doing them, he was winning for like months. That Lambo right there. My Bone Shakers. And my son just bought me the one with the blue wheels. I do not have it out here right now. And thanks for tuning in and watching this. Hopefully I didn't shake you up too much. And we'll get down to those shock cruisers at the end. I really like that one, Leap Year. And those shock cruisers, the real reason why I like the shock cruisers is because of Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. I think it was Honey, We Shrunk Ourselves that they took a ride in one of these and went down the laundry chute. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.